So hi, I'm Akash. I'm actually an undergraduate second year student here, fourth semester. So when we started the whole Pravega Fest thing, and everyone was asking what would be the events, and the first thing that came to our mind was this event, the Tri-D Chess, which is so, I mean, the sci-fi fans are so used to this particular event. So we decided how would we make it. So when we looked up the prices, they were too high, we could not manage the prices, so we made the boards here. And it's a very simple game. It's just a 2D chess game oriented in 3 dimensions. And okay, so what can be done here? You can move a pawn, and the 2 rows here are equivalent to 2 rows on the neutral board, because these are just overlapping. If you look to the board from the top, you would see that these 2 rows overlap with these 2 rows, and these 2 rows overlap with these 2 rows. So the neutral board is kind of an overlap of the rest of the boards, and then you make your moves. Now, where is the difficulty? Difficulty is, now you need to make this move to here. You can make the move here or directly go downstairs. These are equivalent moves. Now, what else is new? Everything is new. Of course, the sci-fi fans need to know more about this particular game. These 3 pieces here, these are in outer space. There is nothing beneath them, so you cannot directly move it anyhow. But this particular square is actually directly above this particular knight. So if the knight moves somewhere else, that square gets empty, and you can move this coin here, and then you can make your moves. You can move your king here, or equivalently, if this pawn moves here, you can move your king down here, and also you can get a check out of it. If your queen is here and your king is somewhere up here and there is nothing in between, then you can directly get a check. So really, it's such a complex game, and visualizing it in 3D is always very difficult. You have to look to all the pieces in 3 dimensions. You need to be aware of the lower board, the neutral board, as well as the upper board. So